In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a Discord server name. This is a quick and easy process, but you'll need to be the server owner or have the appropriate permissions to make changes. To get started, open Discord on your computer. From the server list on the left-hand side, select the server you want to rename. Once you're inside the server, click on the server name in the top left corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, click on Server Settings. You will now be taken to the Server Settings page. At the top of the Overview section, you'll see the current server name. Click inside the server name field. Delete the existing name if needed, and enter the new name you want to use. Once you've finished making your changes, click the Save Changes button that appears at the bottom of the screen. Discord will immediately update the server name. You can now close the settings page and return to your server. As you can see, the server name has been successfully changed, and that's how to change a Discord server name. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Discord tutorials and tips.